is a story about Rangjing. Rangjing is one of the famous monuments in southwest Khasi Hills that are kept in remembrance of the righteous judgment of the ancient Khasi chief. The name Rangjing has been given to the monument due to the fact that this monument was erected after the judgment of the man named Rangjing. Rangjing is a man who commits unlawful deeds against society and also a murderer. Once on Amara market day, there was an archery shooting competition between Mauboy and Mautunam. At that time, an unpleasant fight suddenly started. In this incident, Rangjing, who was the villain, had the opportunity to do criminal things. He killed a man named Jemu. The elders of the village out there thought on how to hand over and send Rangjing to trial. From my part, I agree that we should complete this task as soon as we have finished harvesting.
It seemed that it will be too late before that time. No, it's all right.
Yes, I do agree with that.
Oh, hello, Uncle. Fortunately, you are at home. We are glad to see you all here.
Yes. So what is happening, gentlemen?
No, we just wanted to tell you that there was an incident which happened yesterday.
What happened? Where?
It is like this, Uncle. Yesterday, there was an archery competition between Mauboy and Mautunam. And at that time, an unpleasant fight suddenly started, and Rangjing took a chance to kill Jemu. The villagers has been thinking about this, but we will leave it to you to judge the thing that Rangjing did.
So horrifying. Are we sure that it was Rangjing who did that?
Hey, look carefully in case you just lied to us.
No, Uncle. All the people present there have witnessed, and we do not dare to lie to you, the Ling Dog.
Well, so what do you think?
We are just telling God we don't have the authority to judge this. Our duty is only to fulfill the rituals.
I also agree with what Nolan said. Ask from the gods. Let us see what they will reveal.
If it's like this, it's only the chief who have the authority to judge and decide whether to punish or to forgive. From where can we get these, Uncle? Will we search and find them? We will think about this. They may be from Dingay, from Sopet Benen, from Lumshilong, or from Yapa. Who knows? Let us think and decide.
Then the five priests went and searched for a king and finally found one from the eastern part of the Khasi Hills.
Predixing, Nakra, and the Tanguri. Bring the dresses, we will start the religious duties. Bring Rangjing here. Rangjing, I ask you to swear on your honor before this gathering that you are innocent on the accusation brought against you. This elongated stone stand before you is like a challenge that shows your good behavior. Rangjing, do you still have anything to say?
Respected King, according to the word of righteousness which I have spoken, I stand firm.
All right. 3 times you'll have to jump over the stone. If your righteousness rises first, you will escape. But if you're wrong, your head will be cut off by the sword. You can start now.
My King, my Lord, forgive me. I have done wrong.
Apply and cover Rangjing's entire body with turmeric so that his face will be disguised and the blood that flows will not hunt him anymore. Apply the turmeric to yourself as well to avoid from the same.
Oh, yes.
Take the head to Blemsia. The body will be taken by his relatives. Hey, remember, righteousness is very important in this world.
Holy, stay with us, stay with us, stay with us.
After Rangjing's head was cut off, the head was buried in a small cave covered by small rock at Blemsia, which is now called the Mountain Cave in the Maram language. The sword, covered with blood, was washed in a stream which is now known as Mausai. After this incident, the people requested the king to stay with them forever, but he refused. From then on, they appointed first king of the Maharang kingdom.